Hello and welcome to my channel. I usually give you my usual spiel, but this particular one, this is the beginning of December. For all you other Dollar Tree haulers out there, it would be greatly appreciated if you give me a shout out in your videos so I can make 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. Thanks again. Wow, decorative gifts. $1.25. This is kind of like it's a light brown, medium brown with beads around it. Great. I think it looks about maybe 8 inches or so. I'm not quite sure. Then they have the lighter one with the oval. And these will make great tier trays. You can make them out of the wood. Yes. Great gifts. These are DIY letter boards. And this is the first time seeing the heart one. It's pink and blue. Ooh. And then we have a star one that's purple and yellow. Great little gifts to go in your kids' room or your room or any, common area. And then these are the normal ones that they've always seen. They have the tan wood looking one, then they have a gray one, and they have black ones. So out of these, you can choose from 3 colors, or you can get the heart or star, or one of each, whatever one makes you happy. 8 activities. These are the classic games, wood games. This one is checkers. Nice. It's small. It's not huge. And then we have tic-tac-toe, 3 in a row. These can kind of travel sizes almost too. Then we have the maze with the beads that go around there and complete the maze. Great activities to get away from the electronics. Another tic-tac-toe. This one is a tic-tac-toe table decor. It is wood as well. That's why I'm checking into feeling. And you can put it on your coffee table and play tic-tac-toe just for some activities, or your kitchen table or a side table just to occupy it and, like I said, get away from the screen time. Wow. Would you want one of these? Which one would you want? This one or the other tic-tac-toe? Look at this cute beauty blender bag. This looks like a mini purse, and it keeps the mini blender brushes. So adorable. Even if you don't even need any blending brushes, the bag is so cute. And then we have this makeup blender contraption. I remember they used to have the suitcase one. Now they have these makeup blender storage. Power Stick. Hair, skin, and body. All day fresh body spray. Alpine Timber. 3.5 ounces. Power Stick has really increased their different scents. Now we have the Alpine Timber, but I didn't get a chance to smell it. If you have, let me know. Do you like the scent? Is it you, or which one is your favorite Power Stick scent? Resurfacing and exfoliating enzyme mask with pumpkin and AHAs by Global Beauty Care. Doesn't it look like you can eat it? It looks kind of like food. You can see the pumpkin look. The Rose Champagne Body Care. The first one is Rose Champagne Wishes. It's a body wash and bubble bath. Raspberry and ceramides, 10 ounces. Then we have the Renewing Body Scrub with pink sugar, raspberry, and ceramides. And then the last one, we have the Rose Champagne Wishes Fragrance Mist, and it has raspberry and ceramides. So it's a whole collection to make a gift. Name brand just for us, warming gel, water-based personal lubricant, and it's 2 ounces. No fragrances or hormones. So, would you buy it? A great little gift for Stocking stuffer, Play-Doh, Crystal Crunch, scented perfume like it's pineapple scent, and see the crunch. Great sensory item for the kids who love it, ages 3 and up. This is one thing I did get. Yes, great gifts. Party coaster game night, 8 games, endless fun, 30 coaster cards. Wow, amazing. And then we have family night, coaster game, 8 game, endless fun, 30 coaster cards. Of course, only $1.25. Great games for family night, family game night, or friend night, or whatever night you want to have. Look at these beautiful Christmas glasses with the leaves, the berries. So gorgeous, and it match your Christmas decor. If you just want to decorate with it or create or just use it what it's for, drinking out of, who knows. Then we have these unique shaped glasses to go with your Christmas decor, your Christmas dinner, your Christmas lunch, I guess even your after dinner or breakfast meal, who knows? But it has the Christmas tree with a star, and then it says Christmas cheer. I love the shape of these glasses. They are gorgeous. Next up, this is for the drinkers only. It says, forget the elf. I'd rather have wine on the shelf. Wow. This is just for the drinkers. What do you think? What do you say about that? The drinkers only. Now it's time for our dollar plus section. It may include one, two, or even more dollar plus items for you to enjoy. 12 days of socks. Can you believe it? 12 days to get 12 pairs of socks. And on the back, it shows you all the different pairs of socks that it has. I would have purchased this, but it already had been open, and I did not want to spend the plus amount for something that's already been open. It was the last one. LED 2-pillar candles for $5. They come in 3 different colors, kind of like a cream color, a kind of goldish color, and a silver color. And these are nice in height. They are taller than the regular average pillar candles that they have. Yes, this is totally gorgeous. Next up, last but not least, we have $5 Toyland. Look at these stuffed little animals, so adorable. Well, everyone, this is all I have for today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Subscribe. Tell all your friends and family. I'm trying to reach 1,000 by the end of the year. Please subscribe and hit that like. And tell me, what part do you like the best? Like I always say, be blessed and be better than yesterday. Toodaloo.